Namaste everyone. So in my last videos we have taken out cube root by using prime factorization method. So in today we will find out the cube root of this given number using estimation method. So now how to find this? 857375. So let us make it a pair. Okay, so how can we make pair? You start from last, take three numbers at a time and make it one pair. Again this is the another pair. Okay, now see 375, the unit digit is 5. Okay, again I am repeating, this is the unit digit. Unit digit is 5. Now if you recall the table, that is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube it is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube it is 125. In the cube of this natural number, in 5 cube only you will get this 5, okay, at the unit place. That means what? Here unit place is 5, here also you see unit 5 is 5, and when this unit 5 digit comes at the unit place, when it is 5 cube. So in against this pair what we will write? 5. Again I am repeating, 5 cube is 125, here 125 unit digit is 5. In this pair also the unit digit is 5. So for 5 cube it is 125. So we are writing this 5 here. Now 875. Now you 875. If I ask you 857. Now here the method is little bit different. Now when you see this cube of the number, you see 857 comes between which two cubes? You see 9 cube it is 729. 9 cube it is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. That means what? 857 it is what? It is greater than 9 cube, but it is smaller than 10 cube. So here what we have to do? The smaller. Okay, now see 857 it is greater than 9 cube, but it is smaller than 10 cube. Now from this we have to take the smaller one, that is 9 cube, that is 9 cube means 729. So here we have to take the smaller one, so you will write here 9. That means what? 95 cube. Okay, if you do multiply 95 into 95 into 95, you will see the result is 8573375. Okay, so in this way, this is estimation method. Okay, the number should be a perfect cube number, then only we can use this estimation method and we can find the cube root of this. That means therefore we can say that cube root of 8573375, it is what? It is 95. Let us take one more example, then it will be clear to you. One, 3, 8, 24. So what the rule says, at first you make pair. Okay, so pairing should be done from the last, taking 3 digits together. So this is one pair and this is the second pair. So first what we have to check? The unit digit. Okay, from the last we have done pairing. So here last digit it is 4, that is the unit digit is 4. Now you check in the cube of this table where the 4 comes. You see unit digit, at the unit digit 4 comes when the number, when it is 4 cube, because 4 cube it is 64, and you see here the unit digit is 4. So what we will write here, since 4 cube is 64, for this we are writing the 4 here. Okay, now here it is 13. Now what the process say, 13 comes between which two squares? Now you see 2 cube is 8. Okay, 2 cube it is 8, and 3 cube it is 27. So what the rule says, the number which is small, because 13 it is greater. Okay, 13 is greater than 8, but it is smaller than 27. So the smaller number only we have to take. Now 8 means what? It is 2 cube. So we are writing this 2 here. So the answer is 24. Therefore cube root of 13824, it is what? 24. So in this way we have to find the cube root, okay, of the given number, of a given perfect cube number, with the help of estimation method. So I hope you understood. If any problem is there, you can give a message in my personal WhatsApp group number. Again with some more examples I will clarify your doubt. That's all. Thank you.